but so, if it keeps me alive, I'll stay alive, man. Why not? The game cook. W script. Oh, look at this guy. Honestly, yes, that's my purpose. Get fucking shit on. Oh my fucking god. What the actual fuck happened, guys? What the actual fuck? Boys. Was that just me, yeah? Was that just fucking me? What the fuck? Holy shit. Guys, you don't understand. I've got 0 fucking kills. Ever. Okay, let's fucking clutch up. This was the run. W fucking script. Oh my god. What the fuck?